What is your name? What is your name? My name is Ram. My name is Ram. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from India. I am from India. Where do you live? Where do you live? Currently, I live in Uttarakhand. Currently, I live in Uttarakhand. Are you married? Are you married? No, I'm not married. No, I'm not married. Do you like your friends? Do you like your friends? Yes, I love my friends. Yes, I love my friends. Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. Yes, I go to school. How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? I have two siblings. I have two siblings. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. What does your father do? What does your father do? My father is a teacher. My father is a teacher. Do you wake up early? Do you wake up early? Yes, I wake up early. Yes, I wake up early. Could I have your good name? Could I have your good name? This is Amit. This is Amit. What do you do? What do you do? I study right now. I study right now. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? My best friend is Ram. My best friend is Ram. Do you help your mother? Do you help your mother? Yes, I help my mother. Yes, I help my mother. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? My hobbies are playing, dancing, and reading. Do you believe in God? Do you believe in God? Yes, I believe in God. Yes, I believe in God. Do you do yoga? Do you do yoga? Yes, I do yoga. Yes, I do yoga. Where do you put up? Where do you put up? I put up at Premnagar in Nainital. I put up at Premnagar in Nainital. What is your aim? What is your aim? I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher.